Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you want to see exactly how much Etsy owes you? Here is where to look. So your balance inside Etsy shows what's available, pending, and even reserved. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to check your Etsy payment account balance in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So for you guys who uses the app, you can go to App Store or basically Play Store to download it. Otherwise, we can go to Etsy.com, tap on this thing, it will take you automatically to this page where you should just log in using your email address and password to access this dashboard. So it's time now to actually log in using your email address and password to access all of this information. You can either go through the shop manager, then look for finances, payment account, then check all of the information you want, or we can tap on your profile, look for credit balance. If you are placing basically your money on your credit here, you can check purchases and reviews, or you can go as I told you directly to the shop manager. Look for finances, select payment account, then you will see available for deposit, pending funds, and even recent activity. Scroll down for any transaction details. As for like a bonus chips, pending funds clear after processing periods, then check for fees before calculating profit. Watch for payment reserves if you are a new seller. And that's the whole idea here. So as I told you, just go, log in, check the basically shop manager, so you can see all of your information there. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.